Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, reliable equipment that you can trust. In this video, we will take a look at the PSR 5014 Power Slip Roller, which has a capacity of 50 inches by 14 gauge thick mild steel and has a heavy-duty steel frame for maximum rigidity. All three rolls are made of high-grade alloy steel and hardened 50 HRC. The bottom pinch roll and bending roll has manual up and down adjustments, and the top roll swings out for removal of full cylinders. It is powered by a 1.5 horsepower electric motor in either 220 or 440 volt 3-phase. The PSR 5014 Power Slip Roll features both pedestal and foot pedal style controls that give you forward and reverse operational capabilities due to the fact that two of the rolls are driven. For safety, this Power Slip Roller also has an operator safety brake, emergency buttons, overload protection, and a reset button backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts.